What's going on, guys? I'm extremely excited on this episode because my wheels are here. That's right, they're finally here. We got 2 rears, 2 front skinnies. Most of you guys probably already know what these are gonna be. If you follow me on Instagram, I made a huge post about these. You guys voted on them, and these are the wheels that you guys chose for the Freedom Rocket. So we're gonna take these wheels, we're gonna go get the new tires, which are in the garage. I'm gonna show you guys that in here in a few seconds. And we're gonna go to Westy Speed Shop and get those mounted. By the way, guys, key tags are now available and in stock on the online store. There you go. There's the Guitarmageddon ZL1 and the Send It key tags with the car on the back and the nitrous bottle on the back. And I'm still running the 20% off all clothing, which includes all the t-shirts and hoodies. So that link will be down for you guys in the description. Jackson, what's up, buddy? You have to go out? Come on, let's go outside. Oh yes, let's go out. Jackson does circles before he goes outside. Go ahead. Go pee, go poop, whatever you gotta do. Don't mind me. He's like, Dad, what? Why are you filming me? This is private. He doesn't know what to do right now. No idea. Go ahead, buddy. Do you have to go or not? Yes or no? Maybe so? Oh, look. See? As soon as I close the door, look who wants to come in. Okay, so you don't have to go to the bathroom. Because if you did, you'd already went out. Alrighty. Well, I'm going to leave. I got to go get some tires put on my new wheels. Okay? Yeah, all right, buddy. Give me your paw. Oh, handshake. Oh, that's a good boy. Okay, oh, I'll see you later, okay? Say bye to No Traction Jackson. Oh, yes, and these are the tires that are gonna go on the wheels. We got Hoosier 28, 10.5 by 15. And then the skinnies up front, those are 27.5 by 4.5 by 17. So I'd say those are gonna grip pretty good. Oh yeah, look at that. That's some meat right there. And we're definitely gonna need it with the new trans and the trans brake that we're running on the car. That thing is gonna launch like crazy. So we definitely need the grip. What the heck? There's a cat under my truck. Did you guys see that? What the shit? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Well, I guess when I start my truck, he'll leave. Yeah, these wheels are extremely light. Like I can carry them with one hand without an issue. Now these are the front skinnies, but the rears are pretty light as well. And I'm pretty sure the skinnies up there weigh about 15. Rearrange a few things here. All right. I'd say we're good to go. Alrighty, so we are arriving at Westy Speed Shop and Hagee's. Westy actually bought Hagee's, so this whole facility, those 3 garages, this building here, this is Hagee Auto Parts, and he just bought this, and I think he still owns Westy Speed Shop right around the corner here up the hill, but he did tell me to come to Hagee parking lot, so that's what we're gonna do here. We'll park out front. There's his car right there. Go in and see what he wants me to do here. There he is. What's up? So this is this it here?
The new digs, yeah.
The new digs. So you currently own this shop. You still own Westy Speed Shop.
Yeah.
And you got a lot more room in here, man. Look at these, all these lifts everywhere.
Yeah. I gotta clone myself so I can be in 2 places at once.
Oh, look at this in here, yes. So this is your machine shop, huh?
Yeah, now I have 2. What are you doing for you?
Mounting some tires on some sweet wheels.
Sweet wheel.
That the viewers haven't seen yet.
You need to give me a sneak peek.
No, if they saw my Instagram, they'd have seen the sneak peek. Already got the truck in here, so we're gonna unload the tires and wheels. Alrighty, moment of truth. Opening up the boxes. Of course, we got the 2 skinnies here. And then here's the 2 rears. We'll start with the fronts first. Oh boy. Here we go. Oh yes. These are the Alumistar fronts from Weld. And if I can get them out of the box here. There we go. Look at them. Those are sweet. Those will go on the front of the car. 4.5-inch width, 17-inch diameter. Now these do require a spacer kit to clear the front ZL1 brakes, which I do have. They're not just gonna fit right on, they're gonna hit the brakes. So basically, there's a kit you can buy. So that'll be going on, obviously, before the wheels. So let's go to the rear wheels. These are even cooler. I waited a long time for these. These are beadlocked 15-inch by 10. There's the beadlock right there. And this is an S71 rear. That thing is sweet. And then here's what it looks like with the beadlock on it. Obviously, just to kind of give you a, there we go. There it is. I went with a beadlock because I'm running the bias plies. So when you run lower tire pressure, obviously you kind of want to run a beadlock. So that's one of the reasons I did it. Plus it looks badass. What do you think?
There you go. Car's gonna hook now.
Yeah, man. They're a lot lighter too. Yeah, lighter, stronger. Obviously they're forged, as you can see there. They are SFI rated too, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a lot lighter than the previous setup.
It is. I'll tell you what, they are awesome quality, but damn, dude, they're like the worst company to deal with.
Really?
Oh my God, yeah. Those of you guys wondering, I did not get these straight from Weld, so I got them from Carlyle Racing. They're a big dealer of Weld wheels, different stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys want Weld wheels or anything like that, I would go to Carlyle. Another place that sells them too is 1320 Wheels. I was talking to them guys as well. Very nice guys. But like I said, Carlyle helped me get this, helped me get all 4 of these wheels and part of the 15-inch conversion kit, the 15-inch conversion brake kit. Those are Carlyle's version as well. Steve Fast drops by to say hi.
What's going on?
Look at that IROC Z shirt. Is that foreshadowing to your next car?
Well, you know, you never know.
All right, got the front wheel on the machine. We're gonna start with the harder ones because Westy loves mounting Hoosier skinnies.
What did I do the last time? I WD-40'd them in the end?
No, you blew like 50 PSI air in them.
Didn't I want to WD-40 them? Remember the beads
at the end? Yeah. This might be different though. Maybe these wheels will be different.
Hopefully.
One can hope. So there they are, all 4 wheels and tires, the new Guitarmageddon ZL1 drag racing setup. Oh yeah. I've been waiting a while to get these wheels. As you guys know, I did post a thing on Instagram, like I said before in the video, where you guys voted on your favorite wheel setup on my car, and this is what you guys voted for, so this is what I got. And I'll be honest, this is the one I like the most as well. So I was happy that everybody agreed with me. There were a couple other wheels that I did like, but I thought these looked the best as far as like the muscle car look, and I wanted the rears to kind of match the fronts with the 5-spoke look, and obviously the contrast machining on all 4 wheels, and the beadlocks on the rear just look badass. And obviously they serve a function too, you know, you don't want the tire spinning on the rim, especially when you're hooking at the track like that. So that's one of the reasons why I went with beadlocks as well. So we'll see how the bias plies work at the track. If I feel like maybe they're not doing what I want them to do, maybe I'll do a drag radial and I'll probably just go with the regular like ET Pro for the rears, and then I'll just do the front runners that I have on the car now with the race stars on. But we're gonna try these bias plies for now because it's the lightest setup you can get really, and I want to be able to see how the car is going to launch. Obviously with the trans brake and everything like that, it's going to be a lot different of a launch, way more aggressive. So I wanted a tire like that in the back as opposed to a drag radial. And now Steve's just wants them.
Definitely.
Wants them for his car.
Very, very tempting.
I'm excited for these to go on the car. Really am. I'm excited to see what they look like. So we're going to be putting them on the car this week. So stay tuned for that next video. And hopefully by then, the trans will be ready to drive. I'll drive the car on the street. I am keeping my 17-inch race star set up for the street. Westy! Much appreciated.
Certainly.
Westy Speed Shop, Hagee's, all in one. New owner. There he is, in the flesh. So yeah, if you guys want your bead-locked wheels, you guys want your generic GM cars serviced.
Yeah. Or Fords.
Or Fords.
Fords always need service.
Yeah, and there you go. Fords are what keep you in business.
Yeah. If it weren't for Ford, that'd be in a poorhouse.
Alrighty guys, so that about does it for this video. Got the tires and wheels all loaded up in the truck. Let me know what you guys think of these babies. I love them. It's gonna be a great addition to the Freedom Rocket because they're made in USA. But anyways, thanks again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. As always, hit that subscribe button and have a great day.